Good day. Alright, next step. I got the new countershaft sprocket on, and mentioned this one is a jobber part made by Niche Industries. So just like cars and trucks, there's also jobber parts available for motorcycles. I had a bit of a problem with getting this on, and it occurred to me that the E-coating on this sprocket, E-coating, it's electrophoresis applied. It's similar to powder coating, but that bit of thickness was enough to make it a bit difficult to get this onto the drive shaft. So I just I sprayed a bit of paint remover on there and scraped the teeth, inner teeth, and it fit. A bit of tapping and went on. So no issues. Good product. And these 3 bolts, according to the service manual, I'm going to have to apply thread lock and torque these to just 4.5 foot-pounds. Isn't much. There is this damper and this lock washer that goes on. It goes on and you turn it, and it holes align with the holes in the sprocket, just like that. And this one had the clip type master link. Got that off. That was not that easy to do. I'm not sure why. It should be a simple thing to do, but I dicking around for the longest time to get it apart. But got it apart. Here's the old sprocket. You can see the teeth on the old sprocket are hooked, so this one is fucked. So, got that on. That's the next step in this, and then next I'm going to get the new chain on and make sure it's cut the length properly. And there's a definite way to count links on a chain, and this one is supposed to be 110. The replacement chain is 112 links, so I have to take off 2 links, and I've got to be careful to do that properly, not to cut this new chain too short. So there. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.